This one is a small video.
Hi everyone.
Something that I got from Walmart. Lo que compré de Walmart. Alfredo Chicken. That don't say Alfredo Chicken right there. It's right here.
Oh, Alfredo Chicken.
And I'm gonna make it right now. Lo voy a hacer ahora mismito. And they love it. I like it too. It's pretty good, not so bad. I brought other mores, but I got in the freezer, so I didn't even feel like record this because it's so cold. No quise grabar esto porque como hace mucho frío y los restos yo los dejé en el freezer. Pero a lo mejor un día le enseño. So, bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Well, here I go. I'm about to cook it. Lo voy a cocinar. And I had ate it before. Nosotros lo comimos antes. And it tasted so good. And I got 3 of these that I have to put inside. Tengo que ponerle 3 que vino. You know, the sauce. So that is it. So I got 3 of them that I have to put inside. Tengo 3 que le tengo que poner adentro. There it is. So that's it. I will show you, I guess, pictures at the end. Le voy a poner retrato a lo último. Bye bye. Here are the instructions to cook it. The one that you do using a skillet, you know. It shows you right there. And this one if you want to do it in the microwave, you know. There's other different ones, which I plan to try some other ones. Espera un momento, wait 1 second everyone. I put the sauce inside, so it has to defrost. So let's let it get cooking, and then that'll be it. That'll be dinner, unless I have to make something else for them. So I'll put pictures everyone, okay? So bye.